how to replace purge valve solenoid in Hyundai and Kia. So this is 2-liter engine, and you can see in most of these cars it's located between the engine, battery, and the filter cabin. So I'm showing it to you right there with the screwdriver. You can see you will need a pliers and just a Phillips head screwdriver. So first thing first, just to have a better access, I'm gonna be removing this filter cover top completely, so it's a lot easier to get into that location where we're gonna be unclipping the hoses and unclipping the electrical power. And make sure when you remove the cover you don't drop anything into the throttle body, and maybe even cover it with something, napkins, or just tape it. Just don't drop anything in there. So now before I remove any hose, it's basically mounted into that metal piece with the rubber, and I'm just twisting it while I'm trying to pull it out at the same time. So once I remove it completely, then I'm gonna be removing the hoses. It's a pretty simple process. That's how you remove it, and when you're done basically putting it back, you can just reverse engineer. Just make sure you don't drop anything in throttle body, and just make sure you don't drop on top of that filter cover as well. Maybe if you want, you can just completely remove the filter as well. So that's how you remove purge valve from Hyundai or Kia.